Hello everyone, I am Vasanta Lakshmi. Today I am going to teach the number system of class 9th, CBSE and state. This is the first chapter in your syllabus. Before that, you have to understand the meaning of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Let's see one by one. First, natural numbers. How these natural numbers are defined? The natural numbers are defined as they are counting numbers. They are the counting numbers and they are denoted by the letter n, and we write natural numbers as a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. For example, if I provide a basket of fruits and I'll ask you to count the fruits. Now what is the first thing you'll do? You'll count as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Isn't it? Same way here, these natural numbers are used for counting and ordering. Did you understand? I'll repeat. Natural numbers are the counting numbers and it is denoted by the letter capital N. They are the set of counting numbers. Generally, natural numbers have written in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And it is enclosed by the flower brackets. Next comes the whole number. Here, whole number is also a natural number where 0 is included in it. If we take natural numbers along with the 0, then the set of numbers are said to be whole number. I'll repeat. Whole numbers are the set of natural numbers. Along with the 0 is called as whole number and it is denoted by the letter W, capital letter W. Did you understand? Okay. This W is equal to, since it is a set of numbers, we'll enclose with the brackets and we'll start with 0. Suppose if we omit 0, then rest all are natural numbers. See, whole numbers and natural numbers, how you can differentiate? In natural numbers, 0 is not included, whereas in the whole number, 0 is included along with the natural numbers. See, these are all 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers. If you write natural numbers along with the 0, then it will be whole number. Clear? Next comes the integers. The integers, how do you define the integers? Integers are the set of numbers where positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. We'll consider along with the 0, we'll take all the numbers together. Collection of such numbers are called as integers. I'll repeat. Integers are the set of positive numbers. It includes positive numbers. These integers includes negative numbers and also integers include even 0. Here, this integer is derived from the German word Zahlen. I'll spell it Z-A-H-L-E-N. Zahlen is a German word where this integer is derived from. Hence, the first letter is Z. Therefore, integers are denoted by the letter Z. That's the reason why the integers are denoted by the letter Z, because it is derived from the German word Zahlen. The meaning of Zahlen means count, to count. Zahlen means to count. Then, how to represent these integers? These integers are represented by the letter Z and enclosed by the flower bracket, and where you can notice 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. along with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on. Clear? I'll repeat. Integers is a set of positive numbers, negative numbers along with the 0 is called as integers. Then comes rational numbers. Now you are familiar with the natural numbers, whole numbers and the integers. Now the next very important in the number system, that is rational numbers. The rational numbers are the numbers which are written in the form of P by Q. This is very important. The rational numbers are written in the form of P by Q, where P is also an integer, Q is also an integer. Here P and Q both are integer, but here Q should not be equal to 0. This is a condition you should keep in mind. I'll repeat. Rational numbers are the numbers which are written in the form of P by Q. They are written in the form of P by Q, but here Q should not be 0, but PQ are integers, but denominator should not be 0. Why this denominator is not 0? The condition here is, suppose if I write 0 by 1, the value is 0. If I write 1 by 0, if I write 0 in the denominator, the value is indeterminate. You can't determine the value. That is the reason denominator should not be 0. See, if I write 0 by 1, it is in the form of P by Q. Will you agree? P is equal to 0 here, Q is equal to 1. But if I write 1 by 0, here P is 1, Q is 0. It is in the form of P by Q. But what is the condition? This Q should not be equal to 0. That is the reason generally while defining rational numbers we'll specify that Q should not be equal to 0. This is very important point to be noted. Because if denominator is 0, then value will become indeterminate. You can't determine the value. Next, see, while writing the rational number itself, we can notice the word ratio. See, R-A-T-I-O. You can notice the word ratio, isn't it? Hence, this rational numbers means it has come from the word ratio and it is denoted by the letter Q. Here, Q means quotient. Q means quotient. See, this rational number is written in the form of P by Q and it is denoted by the letter Q. Since Q, what does it mean? It means the quotient, and this rational number has come from the word. It has come from the word ratio. See, notice, just observe the word here, ratio, R-A-T-I-O, ratio. Did you understand? Actually, this rational numbers includes natural numbers, it includes whole numbers, and this rational numbers includes even integers. Here, rational number includes all the three. What? Natural numbers. Natural numbers you can write it as rational number. Even whole number you can write it as rational number. Even integer you can write it as rational number. Just I'll show you some examples. Now, write any natural numbers. Natural number, as I said, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 counting numbers, isn't it? Etc. Now take 4. How to write this 4 natural number as a rational number? You can write 4 as 4 by 1. Here it is in the form of P by Q. P means 4, Q means 1. Take any other number. Take for example it is 101. This 101 can be written in the form of 101 by 1, where P is 101 and Q is 1. Natural numbers can be written in the form of rational numbers. Next, think of whole numbers. Whole numbers include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here, write this 0 in the form of rational number, that is 0 by 1 you can write. 0 by 1 is 0 itself. And you can take any number, you can write in the form of P by Q. See? Hence, whole number can also be written in the form of rational numbers. Even natural number also can be written in the form of rational numbers. Then comes integers. Then comes integers. What does it mean? Integers means, as I said, 0 positive numbers along with the negative numbers, isn't it? You take any negative number. If I take -3, I can write -3 by 1. Take some more number, 17. Even 17 can be written as -17 by 1. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Rational number includes natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. In the next session, we'll solve numericals related to the chapter 1. Thank you.